Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Akbar from 2B Management. Here, I would like to present of research of my analysis entitled Influence of Human Research on Affiliation Workability. Next, seek several aspects in management of humanity research and 1. Job analysis and 2. Preparation of land. 3. Implementation of education. 4. Implementation of employee duties. And 5. Provision of incentives. And 6. Evaluation of work reformation. Next slide, definition. Human resource development at America, a process of improving the quality of ability of human beings is order to exist in national building, where micro development of human research is a process of planning, education, and training as well as management of personality of employees to active of team research event to increasing the research of the from authorities through a learning or organization strategy. Project timeline. The review includes dollars on rates, consecutive door, a division elite, which full footage, nulla at enter throats, field evitator, value, condimental point, audio. 3. Principle of the human research approach. 1. Human research are the most important, with all need with an organization will effective management is the key to the success of the organization and to company culture and values, organizational atmosphere and managerial behavior. David for this code will have a major influence of the best active human research. And 3. Human research management relates to the integration of all members of the organization involved to active goal. Maybe not sorry if what of mistakes. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.